this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Close to My Heart and it is for my summer monthly challenge and it's pattern paper only. And there is my Close to My Heart information. I will link everything down below. I am using the blush collection and I am strictly doing pattern papers. I did do, my thickers are from my stash, and then I am using this ink pad, and I do use Sunset Strip for some gold splattering, but everything else is been fussy cut out of the brush collection that is available for Close to My Heart, and that will be linked down below. I'll get you a direct link to that information. Now, I am in my daughter's Traveler's Notebook, and it's all about her summer adventures, and one of the adventures that she absolutely loves doing is going to the dentist. And mainly going to the dentist means that she gets to go into the treasure box and grab something. So she will sit there all nice and pretty, do everything that she's supposed to be doing, just so that she can get into the treasure box and bring something goofy home. Now that this was done last year. Now, when we went in for this summer adventure, unfortunately, I was not able to get a photo due to her age. She goes in by herself now, due to COVID. And then, there is no longer the treasure box. However, she still loves the dentist. She did what she was supposed to do. She had her teeth cleaned. She does a really good job. They did tell me that she's probably going to have braces, which I figured as much, that's what was going to happen. So there. That is one of her summer adventures that she absolutely loves. And I am one of them that set up the dentist appointment. Like, her summer dental appointments are already set up for next year. When we go in this summer. So like this summer, I already have next year's set up. And when I went in this time last year, I made sure I set up the next ones as well for, like for this year. And that also goes for her December ones as well, because we go in June and December. And her December ones are already set up and ready to go. So I took one of the papers that had a bunch of watercolored floral designs and fussy cut them out for flowers. Now, I do absolutely love how this turned out. It is a simple layout for me. It did only take me about 25-30 minutes, something like that, to do from start to finish for my Traveler's Notebook. But it's a simple layout. It's an adventure that gets done every summer, and she loves to be in front of the camera anyway right now. So I'm going to take any pictures I possibly can, because she will get to the point where I won't be able to do that. But for right now, I'm going to take it and run with it. And I'm placing these green little pieces there, the leaves underneath there, just to add a little bit something down here on the bottom. So yeah, she takes her pictures for everything right now. And I'm going to roll with that, because sooner or later she's not going to. Sooner or later she's going to be like, Mom, what are you doing this for? Or she's in her selfie mode with duck lips or some type of new thing that'll come out at her age. I back this up on some foam tape as well. And I just place this in the middle, and I do some doodly stuff at the end and whatnot. So while you're watching me do that, make sure that you click down below in my stuff. I do have a group where this is going in, and it's all month long. I am going to set up this weekend. If you are catching this, I would love to have you in my group, because I am going to do some scrappy where I am at my desk and I'm just scrapping away, and you guys can come in and out of the chat rooms. I'm going to set that up this weekend, because a lot of people enjoy that, and I'm going to plan on doing that as well. And then also, I have 7 layouts. So this is the first one that I filmed and was able to get up. I'm going to get the other 6 up and running onto my channel and pull in some of the new product. This layout, or this kit, is almost done, to the point where I'm going to have to probably reach in my stash and pull some other older products from Close to My Heart. But to be able to finish this section out. I only get the paper and the sticker pad most of the time, but it works really well for me. I'm able to pull in stamps and whatnot from my stash that is close to my heart products to be able to just have fun with the stamps too. I do have a huge giveaway. Right now, I have it coming in the mail, and I'm super duper excited for it. It is the Disney collection. I purchased the Disney collection, and I'm kind of waiting for that to come in because I really want to show you guys how you can use that if you're not, like, have gone to Disney or you don't think you're going to go to Disney. Like, for us, I know for a fact at a 200 zillion% that we probably will never go to Disney because of Josh. And it's not because he doesn't want to take his daughter or any of that sort. It's just what he has done in the military for as long as he has, and that's just way too many people. His anxiety would go off the wall and ape and whatever else have you, and I just don't see it happening. So, and if it does, mark my words, I guess I'll be able to use the collections that are available at that time. But for right now, I know we won't be going. So yeah, and I just did some doodling. Everything will be linked down below. You know that I love my fussy cutting scissors. Here are the thickers that I got from my stash, just so that there is a title. And I'm going to state Summer Dentist. And I'm going to follow the blue color that's in the leaves there, right where I am putting down the words or the letters there to make the two words that I want. It's that blue color there, and I absolutely love that. The still shots are definitely coming up. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I do post a good amount of close to my heart products and use their merchandise as much as I possibly can because I am a consultant. My information will be at the end as well. I would love to see you in my group, and tag me on Instagram or any place that you have seen any of my challenges. I would love to see what you guys do for my 7 layouts for this month and my challenge. And make sure that you come over there. I do have a giveaway that is it's a $95 value. So the only way that you can be able to get the giveaway is by entering in, 1, be part of my group. 2, you have to enter into the subscriber. And also, if you purchase anything from me, you get your name in there as well. So everything will be linked down below. I hope to see you there. I'm going to leave you with my journaling. I'm just talking about how she likes going to the dentist. More importantly, the treasure box. You will see me with splatters, and that is it. Still shots are coming up. I hope you guys are staying safe. Be well, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.